Every morning, we hunt, identify, and then try and eliminate any hazards that are in our work area. One of the risks you should be looking for says, are there any overhead utilities you will be working under or near? It's always best to attempt to eliminate the hazard if possible. In the form, there is one option that says eliminate the hazard, call the power company to place conductivity shields on the power line. This may not always be possible, so you can minimize the hazard. It says here you could select this option to use a spotter to watch the equipment at all times. Also use a radio to stay in constant communication with the operator. Here's another option that you can use, and this actually eliminates the hazard as well.
In these new next-gen machines, there's a neat little trick when you're in tight areas. So as we can see, I'm underneath a bunch of power lines, and it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but being underneath power lines, we don't want to hit any of them. So you can actually set a ceiling limit. So if you go to this button here, and it might be different on your machine because you can readjust the buttons, but go there and you want to do the 2D E-fence ceiling. So if you click the arrow and go into that one, you can actually pick a height limit that your machine will max out at, and it won't go any higher than that. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. So when you turn it on, it automatically sets your bucket wherever it's at to that max ceiling limit. So then it will beep at you. And I'll activate my safety thing real quick. You can see I'm actually lifting up and the machine won't go any higher. So I know my machine won't let me hit these power lines.
This is an excellent example of eliminating the hazard. If this option's not already in Site Docs, go ahead and just type it in. So I wrote in here, use the ceiling limit function on the track hoe to eliminate the need for a spotter. This should eliminate the hazard.